Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Cher Allen with Kirkwood Boulevard, and I'm an agent at eXp Realty. And today, you guys, I want to show you really quick how to add a buyer's guide or seller's guide to your Wix website template. So you guys, this is a free template that I have for real estate agents if you want to try Wix. And I had an agent reach out to me this morning and ask how to add a PDF directly to your Wix website. So when someone signs up, they'll get the PDF directly once they input their information. So for this, you're going to, you guys, it's really quick. This should be a quick video. You're going to go down to the section where you're able to add, and this is a Wix form. You're just going to click this button here, and you're going to go in here, and you see all of the different messages that you can have after they submit, submit actions. Then you're going to click show a PDF link file, and you're going to click that. You're going to upload your file, which I'll upload a file really quick. So this is the PDF here. Whatever guide you have, you're going to select it. It only takes a PDF. It will not upload a photo, as you see here. Can't add it to a page. And then, as you can see here, it's attached. So you're going to close that. So after they input their information, then they will be able to click this link to download the file. And then with this, if you don't like this being green, Wix is very customizable. You can come in and input your colors or whatever colors you want to put here. You want to make sure they're able to see where to download. If you want to make this bigger, you can make it 18 so then they see it. So once they click this link, the download will show up. And then you guys, we're going to always go and check our mobile, which I didn't do anything. I just added this, but I may want this to be centered. I may not want it to be 17. I may want it to be a little smaller because this is going to be the mobile version. And then that's it, you guys. So that's it, you guys. This is just a quick tutorial on how to add your PDF directly to your Wix website template once they input their information, and then they can get the download. And then we are doing what we always want to do, which is making sure that we are getting emails to add to our database. So again, I'm Cher Allen with Kirkwood Boulevard and eXp Realty. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.